Hi there, just taking a quick video of the Zenith portable DVD CD player. I have put a DVD in there. It's got the car charger and it's got the video audio. You can connect headphones or use this and connect it to your vehicle. And it's chargeable and it'll play a movie and a half depending on how long. Hour and a half movie and then a little bit more. But it's playing and all the buttons are over here. I've got it on high so that you can see, you know, it's best to just use it in your vehicle or when you're camping. Maybe plug in out, you know, external speakers. Let me turn off the light so that you can see it. What's really cool about it is that you can actually turn it. So you can set this down somewhere and then just turn it so that you can angle it. And then you got several directions. It's got color bright, and let me play around with that so that we can press the color bright and then color bright. Oh, okay, there it is. Oh, pretty nice. That's color brightness, LCD mode. See how it changed. Menu. I didn't really want to stop it, but there's the menu. And let's go back to play.
I'm Neil Jordan, and I'm here to introduce Interview the Vampire, a movie about the saddest vampires you'll ever see.
And there it is.